Could you guys confirm, have you all received yesterday's demo video and document?
No, sir.
You attended online.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Why, Fanny?
I received.
Okay, Sai Kumar,
Received.
I did not.
Not
I
received.
did not receive.
have you not provided your email address?
Uh,
Did you provide your email address and mobile number in chat room?
no, no, no.
Yeah,
I
that's
did
why
not
you
provide.
didn't. Yeah, that's why. So kindly provide your email address and mobile number so that you will receive demo documents, demo videos both the days.
Sure.
So this is a folder created for our batch. Demo videos and all the videos available in the same folder. Online people, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room.
Those who provided yesterday also provided.
Not required. Those who provided and received documents, no need to provide. Who just joined today and new today, they need to provide. So this was the folder created for you. And this is all videos folder. First demo available. And second demo also I will place in the same folder. So first demo video and first demo document. Similarly, you will receive second demo also in the same folder. So in this folder, you will receive it. Okay, let me start my day. As I told you, there are 2 demo classes. And first of all, who joined today, do not write anything. Simply listen to the session. Everything I will explain you graphically and I will give you the relevant document. It is a technical component. Definitely, I need to use technical words. Don't feel complex. After 1 or 2 days, you feel very easy and you feel very simple. First 1-2 days, you may feel like panic. Okay, what is this? What is this? But later, you will be habituated. And for IT people, mostly from tomorrow, we'll move into practical part. So you'll enjoy it. Even today's part also you will enjoy it. And today you will come to know how I'm progressing the classes. If you're already working in IT, you will come to know how I'm progressing the classes. What is the way I'm following to explain the content. And don't consider like a demo classes. These 2 very important classes for your knowledge. And demos yesterday and today, and regular classes from tomorrow at 8 o'clock. And one more batch we are going to start at 6 o'clock. That is from mostly Wednesday or Friday. You can register for either of the batches. Either morning batch or evening batch. Which batch you are interested, you can register. But morning batch from tomorrow. My objective is very detailed subject so that you can face interview and you can work happily in the real time. And the subject includes interview questions, interview guidance, and the subject suitable for PL 300 examination, certification examination. 70 to 80% covered in the examination. I conducted yesterday first demo. Introduction I given for 20 minutes. Later, I explained data to fabric understanding, a theoretical part. Also, I added one point. It is very important. Yes. And today in second demo, I will give a recap of first demo for 10 minutes. So this 10 minutes, I will give a recap and then I go to fresh practical part. And after the class, you need to practice it. What are the relevant documents required for practice? I will provide you. Kindly go through the document and complete the practice. Don't only continue with the Power BI. Don't consider these are the demo sessions. I will do it later. And before you purchase a washing machine or before purchase AC, fridge, a bike, definitely we do test drive. Without test drive, will you go for it? Okay, let us purchase first and then we will go for the test drive. No. So do a test drive today, easy or not, and then join, continue from tomorrow. Now, what I explained yesterday yesterday I will explain today for 10 minutes. Kindly focus. This was the first screen I started with. My name, my mobile number, and a working professional. The current class duration 60 hours, 2 months, and class duration 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours. Some people asking me, sir, will you take 2 hours in a day? Yes, I'm ready to take 2 hours in a day, but you need to spend 6 to 8 hours per day practice. With experience, I'm explaining 2 hours means without experience, how long it will take for you. And Monday to Friday compulsory classes, monthly 2 Saturdays you are having classes. And daily live class videos will share, and access given till 1.5 years. Till 1.5 years, you'll get the access. And 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. Theory and practical material I will provide you. No prerequisite. Anybody can learn. Whether you're IT or non-IT, no matter, you can learn. But if you have Excel knowledge a bit or SQL knowledge a bit, advantage to you. Qualification, any graduate. Any degree graduate is fine to start up Power BI. Next, it is a graphical user interface component with low code. Code is very less. We don't write much code here. And the current session from basics to advanced. In case you're looking for fast track or customized training, call on this number. Even you can call me on this number. I will guide you how to finish in less days. You are looking for 30 days duration or 30 hours duration, then I will tell you the best way. What to do, call me on this number. After this, I explain what I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. I'm going to cover your project related, environment related subject this. Because in the real-time level, real-time environment is different. So these are the concepts, components, tools we use in the real time that I will cover. So warehousing fundamentals, modeling fundamentals, agile methodology, GitHub versioning. These all I'm covering for environment concepts. And 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies also I will cover. And in real time, you may work with database storages. That time you require a language called SQL. That SQL language knowledge, I'll give you 3 to 4 hours. It does not mean 3 to 4 hours sufficient to work in the real time and go for interview. No. And these 3 to 4 hours, how to bring the data from the database into Power BI, how do we use the database data in Power BI to explain those kind of concepts. But my recommendation, learn the whole course wherever you want to learn. Even we also offer, you can learn. But prioritize 9 topics. The 9 topics are very important for you. And MSB SSA's tabular cubes. 2 hour classes I'm taking tabular cubes. Because databases and cube databases are widely used in the real time. But many people learning for job trials. So the resume preparation help, FAQs, mock interviews, these all also I'm conduct. And coming to Power BI subject related, cloud components, desktop and service, on-premises components, report server desktop, report server, report builder. And Power Apps and Power Automate. This is for 2 hours, this is for 2 hours. So very detailed subject I'm going to give you. So if you're looking for a good training, where you want to explore complete Power BI, yes, I'm one of the best trainer in the market. Confidently, you can join. You can inquire anywhere. Don't look at reviews it on online. Reviews it online. Take mouth publicity or references. In offline, people go to Xerox stores or nearby institutions. They will tell you about us. Now, Institute provides theory and practical material. Will give you live class videos. Also, we provide you fully practical oriented training. The training is and resume preparation. I will help you. And one WhatsApp group is created for our technical discussions, questions, and complete systematic way. You will receive videos and all. FAQ is also discussed. And you are keeping less than 5 years in Power BI. These are the opportunities available. I explained very clearly yesterday. And more than 5 years you are keeping, and these are the opportunities available. And this also explained yesterday. So daily you will receive the video. And WhatsApp group. I opened yesterday WhatsApp group and I showed how do we interact. So who all not attended yesterday, kindly walk through the video of yesterday. Then you will get complete understanding. I cannot explain again and again the same. And after this, I explained about data to Microsoft Fabric. So this hierarchy is very important. I explain data. Anything you're able to store is called data. And we have 3 types of data, 2 formats of data, 1 and 2, file and database, and 2 storages of data, on-premises and cloud. And I given a layman example. Mobile, your mobile photos, your mobile videos, your mobile contacts, initially in your mobile memory only, mobile memory, and that is called on-premise. And weekly ones, monthly ones will take backup into Google, Samsung, Apple Store, etc. Apple Cloud, that is called cloud. So if you keep something in somebody else's storage area, that is called cloud. So this I explained in detail yesterday. 3 types of data, 2 formats of data, 2 storages of data. And IT applications, actually many types available, importantly 2 types. Even you start a business, you look for first business running application. If business data is more, and you need business analytical application. Now you guys taking a decision to enter into business analysis. So you never participate in the organization business running, business analysis you participate. And I told you what is BA. Intelligence to the business, decision making or analysis of the business. Simply, it is a process of converting your normal data into analytical data, decision making data. But how it presents? Through visuals. And visuals talk about insights. So what is insight and all you will come to know tomorrow, don't worry. For the timing, visual. This is a visual. This is a visual. This is a visual, graphically showing component. Graphically showing components are visuals. These are all visuals. And account to BI, input is any data, any type, anywhere. Output is a report or dashboard. What is input? Anywhere. And output, report or dashboard. What is report? No. Report is a component where we show detailed data. Report is a component where we keep in operation data. And dashboard is a place where we keep high level data and designed for a subject area data. Example. I'm not getting you. No, if it is same, then why do we require Power BI? Many differences, not one, two. Capability was different. In the market, there are many mobiles available. So which mobile you are using? Why? Apple is there, Samsung is there. And you only tell me, why are you using Oppo mobile? There are many mobiles, right? Why are you using it? Yes, budget, operations, memory, speed, capability. That's what the difference between this. And coming to Power BI, what would say? In many categories, it is different from Tableau and better than Tableau. That's why people go for it. So I'll give you the list of all the differences. You see that. So in this place, if we discuss meaningless and useless, the reason many people new to this, if you know about phone, and when I compare, yeah, this feature is this and this is better here, then makes sense. If you're new to this, no use of it. But still, you need to know, and I compared with MSBA and explained you why Power BI when MSBA available. I will give you. I think you already got a link actually. In the link level available, the difference between Tableau and Power BI. Even I'll show you now. Don't worry. You read it. I'll show you where do you find that, and you read it. And withdraw. You want to withdraw cash. You can take a report. You want to deposit. Sorry, you want to see deposits information. You can generate a report. But you want single area where withdraw information available, deposit information available, and that area is called dashboard area. Which area? Single presentation, single area presentation. Everyone clear? Good. Now, but how do we convert? So this is general public data, and this is analytical data. How do we convert this data into this? I told you already, we have a process called BA process. This is business intelligence process. According to BA process, first layer is ETL layer, extract, transform, load layer, fixed process. Don't worry, no multiple process. Second one, warehouse layer, data huge storage area. Even I told you a layman example. You want to construct a house, first foundation, slab, foundation, pillars, slab, and then side walls, etc. We progress the same way here. ETL is the first process. Storage is the second process. Required storage is the third process. Presentation is the fourth process. Four process required or four layers required to convert normal data into decision-making data. Earlier, it was very complex. Why? One tool required here, one database required here, and one tool required, very costly. With MSBA from Microsoft, this is a product of Microsoft, that burden reduced. MSBA available as a suite. Some people say pack, some people say stack, where we have multiple tools. First one, SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services tool. This works here. And SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Services, this works here. SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services, this works here. So multiple tools to perform. And market also really good for MSBA. Then you can ask me, why Power BI? I told you, Power BI from the same company, Microsoft, with different features than MSBA. Advanced features than MSBA. And why, that reason also explained yesterday. I'll just brief it today. And Power BI level, no need of multiple tools. One concept is there, Power Query, which works here. Another concept is there, Power Pivot, concept 2, which works here. One more concept is there, Power Map, which works here. So multiple concepts we have in Power BI level. So I will go to this picture and explain. Legacy BA. Old BA, if you go, multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple resources required, very costly, very complex. But still, MNCs used it. MNCs used it. For the last 30 years, MNCs are using it. Middle age, MSBA kind of released, and MSBA 2005 release. Remember everyone, Because if you go to interview, the first question may be this. Whose product is Power BI? Microsoft. When MSB available, why Power BI? Got clarity? Even I told you one eccentric example as well. If Apple wants to add some new features, then they will release a new version, not a new phone. But Microsoft give a new BA component. Why? Because the capability, the capacity, the feature support, everything different, or everything low in MSBA. But MSBA 5 released every 2 to 3 years. There is a new version 5, 8, 8R2, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22. These are all MSBA versions. Every 2 to 3 years version. And from 2008, Microsoft is a leader in the market for analytics and BI. So no competitor to Microsoft in analytics and BI from 2008. 2008 to till 2016, Microsoft carried the market. 16 onwards, Power BI continuing the market. That's the reason Microsoft is a leader till this day in analytics and BI. Even I opened 2 links for you. First link yesterday I opened Gartner. Microsoft named a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant. And this is 15th consecutive year. Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BI. Even one more I used, Zoometrics. And this link you got in the WhatsApp level. You go and see this. This is 36 in 2021, but 42% of projects in 2022. So 42% of projects in Power BI by 2022. So Tableau reduced, ClickView reduced, and all are reduced. And they clearly mention why Tableau not having market, why people feeling Tableau complex. Cost being a bottleneck for Tableau as Power BI becoming a leader. Not only that, there are many features. They clearly mention here, you can see that. Right. Now come to next part. Why Power BI created when MSBI already exists? I told you MSBI not good with cloud. MSBI level multiple tools required. So multiple setups, multiple software installations required. Not mobile and tab friendly. You cannot place MSBI report easily in other areas. Compulsory average coding is required. Visual support is very less. And every 2 to 3 years, a new version is coming from the Microsoft. But market is changing drastically. But every 2 to 3 years, a new version. No use. So in Power BI level, cloud and on-premises support is there. One application sufficient to perform end-to-end process. Mobile and tab friendly is there. And you can place your reports betterly in other areas. Low code approach. Code is less. And report visuals are very high. And continual market changes it is taking because monthly update available. What is available? That's why some scientists simply say, hey, Power BI is adding features to the existing BI. Power BI is adding features to existing BI. Some people say it's a low code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BI application, end-to-end we can do. That means if you pass data, it will give you business intelligence data. That is end-to-end. The application which will take data and gives BA data after process, those applications are called self-service BA applications. Yeah, that happens there. We'll see practically now. And which generates reports or dashboards from the data. So if a good technical resource asks the definition, explain me Power BI, tell me Power BI in a single line, explain this definition. It's a low code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BI application, which will generate reports and dashboards. Power BI generate reports and dashboard from where? Data. And announced in 13 July. And what about versions? We don't have versions. We have monthly updates from there every month. These 2 parts are clear? So with the given spirit of this, Microsoft decided to give many low-code components. These are the 5 low-code components given. Where Power BI a part of it only, Power Platform. But no company used a combination of Power BI, Power Apps. Combination of Power BI, Power Automate, nobody used. So Microsoft again reframed, reorganized. They don't require it. They did not use it. Market level, multiple products released. If customers feel yes, useful for them, they will use it. If they don't use it, what they will do? No, compatible, but combination they don't require. Combinations they don't require. They don't require companies. But companies are looking for a combination like this. One reporting component, they require Power BI reporting. Data factory, one data loading component required. This is called data integration component. Data storage component required. Data analytics component required. So these combinations companies are preferring, but not platform components. So Microsoft reorganized all the components, and 2023 June, you can say July, exactly 10 years, an artificial intelligence based. So these all having AI features. Artificial intelligence based suite, that is Fabric. So if people ask what is Fabric, an artificial intelligence based solution for reporting, integration, storage, analytics. Once again, an artificial intelligence based solution for reporting, integration, storage, analytics. So this is a hierarchy I asked you to go through. Successfully done. Done. What I want to tell you today. This is what I explained yesterday. Then what I want to tell you today. I want to work with Power BI. If anyone wants to ask questions, take mic and ask questions before I go to next.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Hi, this is Ali here. I just joined.
Mhm.
Actually, I will want to know about Power BI, okay, and how it works for work for freelancers, and how about the future about if we take this as a freelancer opportunity.
Okay, that is your personal question. This is my contact number. Kindly call me in between these timings. I will address your question
Okay, fine, Vinay. Okay,
because it takes a while to explain.
okay, fine, fine. I will.
I need to know about your profile and all. Based on that, I can give you a proper session. Right? Anything related to demo? You guys having questions? Demo content? Online, offline people? Thank you. Then I will continue. Now I want to tell you how many components we have in Power BI. No, Ravikant, we are going to learn only Power BI here because Power BI class for 2 months. Now Power BI components. Account to Microsoft. Don't look at YouTube and many websites. Maximum places are 90% answers are wrong. Don't read them. And Power BI components with respect to Microsoft, cloud components are 2. So who are interested for cloud only? They don't want to maintain anything in their company. They don't want to maintain anything in their company. First one, they are using desktop, Power BI desktop, which is a report development component. It will develop a report. How? By using these concepts. So this component will take data. These concepts it will implement. Finally, business intelligence data it will give you. That's why some people call this one as a self-service BA component. But if you go to YouTube and many places, you will find this as Power BI components. Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map. No. So these are components. And these are concepts inside desktop. First one is clear. So report development component is Power BI desktop where we have these concepts. Second one, report storing and managing. only development. But if you want to share to your customer, your managers, and if they want to reply, and based on that, you need to work on it. Or if they want to take effective decisions, they want to share their experience with their subordinates, all possible in the cloud level. This is a cloud. app.powerbi.com is a cloud. In this area, we place this report. From here, we share to customers. You can ask me, can't we share this to customers directly? No, not possible. It's just application. Those managing features not available. It's a mandatory process. And some people, no, I don't want this cloud. This cloud is Microsoft cloud. That means Microsoft level, the data will be stored, report will be stored, everything stored. No, I want in my system only, not Microsoft. Then same component, Power BI desktop you take for development and install the report server and place the report here. Once the development completed, from here you share to customers. From here you share to customers. Fourth component. Now what about other components? Power BI report builder. This is legacy reporting continuation. Actually, in the desktop level, this desktop level, very advanced reporting we have. Advanced. Remember the point. And we call it as a non-paginated reporting. I'm using technical word, don't worry. And in this area, old reporting concept like pagination. Paginated reporting. Sir, what is paginated reporting? Very normal, yeah. 100 rows available. You want 10 rows in each page and 10 pages required. How many pages? 10 rows in each page and 10 pages. This is called pagination. So such kind of reporting required, report builder component required. Though Microsoft having many visuals, still you're not comfortable and you are good with R language, you are good with Python language. There we can generate some visuals. Yeah, by using that, you can create visuals in Power BI. That is developer. Power BI developer helpful for you to create custom or own visuals. And you have Power BI report. Your customer asks, Raju, in my Facebook page, I want to see the report. In my company blog level, I want to see the report. In my website level, I want to show the report. In my SharePoint site level, I want to show the report. Could you make it possible using embedding concept? Like this, around 8 to 10 tools available. And importantly, regularly we work for a cloud, these two. These two we use it. So 95% times we use these two. And now I'm going to explain how do we use this component to develop a report. Shall we see? Right. So this is what I want to explain. This is my family expenses data actually. We call it as a transactional data. My family transactions data. So-and-so day, so-and-so transactions for so-and-so amount, so-and-so location. Books I purchased for 1,000 rupees in this day, Motinagar, Hyderabad. 2,000 rupees food, Jagadamba Theatre, Jagadamba area, Visakhapatnam. Amazon Entertainment 400 at Vijayawada location I purchased. From this, I want like this. And 2 years, this is almost like COVID time. So 19 and 20, August and July, these months only. Years and months. When I select 19, and if I select August, 19 August, total how much money I spent, average money I spent, maximum amount how much I spent in that year and month, and maximum locations how many I travel. And top spendings in the category and least spending in that category. And in which in each location, how much percentage money I spent, 30%, 20%, 10%. And this is for mapping, maps generation mapping. Okay. what are the locations that traveled I want to see. So if you select 20, 20 is some average, maximum, minimum, 20 locations, in each location percentage, top and bottom spendings. And this data is called business intelligence data. Some people say decision making data, and a few people say analytical data, analyst data. So this is what the decision making data. How do we convert this raw data into this? Using a BI process. But where do we implement the process? Using a BI tool. Now I'm using Power BI tool. This is a BI tool. BI tool. So where is a BI process? This is a process. So this tool will get the data. This data it will get. And if it's not in proper shape, it will transform it. Proper shape, we call it as a shape. After transforming, if multiple tables available, it will generate a model. Once it is done, it will go for security. Finally, visuals presentation. That visuals data is business intelligence data. And since Power BI desktop is able to do all these operations, we call it as a self-service BI application. What do we call it? Self-service BI application. Look at this and ask me your question before I go to practical on this. So this is your input data, transactional data. This is your output. And this is a BA process. This is a BA application. Desktop. Right, let me explain you. Guys, who all just joined, kindly provide your email address and mobile number. Kindly provide your email address and mobile number in the chat room. So yesterday, today, both the videos and documents you will receive. Right. What is desktop? Geographical operational area. Windows desktop, Windows operations, Tableau desktop, Tableau operations. And Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations. So Power BI desktop indication, Power BI graphical operations area. And hardware software requirements. So very minimal, I will tell you. Windows 8 or above is okay. But 10 or above is good. 2 GB RAM is okay. But 4 GB or above runs faster. 1.5 gigahertz processor is okay. But more is good. So Windows and minimum 2 GB RAM, minimum 1.5 gigahertz processor. So how to download? So simple. Google it. And for your practice today, advanced download you select. No account is required. Happily you can download. Second, Google it. Microsoft Store download available, but account is required. Or you can go to Power BI service, download it with an account. So this I will explain today, and tomorrow I will explain this and go for practice. But how do we install? Once it is downloaded, click setup.exe, the setup software, and follow the instructions. So this is about desktop, what it is, requirements, downloading method, installation method. No. Ali, you cannot install directly in the Mac level. You need VMware. Within the VMware, Windows OS, and then install it. Mac direct support not available. VMware, Windows followed by Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop download. I'm clicking downloads. Please look at the screen. Download Power BI tools and apps. Power BI Desktop. Download, advanced download. I will click on this. Power BI Desktop. And what is this? Download. But before downloading, read this. What exactly desktop does? Microsoft keep on changes this. They keep on change. And read the versions and what exactly the component does. System requirements also they mention. I will explain about this very clearly tomorrow, don't worry. And here installation instructions also available. So after 2 years, 3 years, you want to download and install, don't ask anyone, don't depend on anyone. Just go to the download time instructions. Download time instructions. Right. So click download. There are 2 softwares available. This is for 64-bit machine software. And this is for 32-bit system type. One is for 64-bit, one is for 32-bit. Sir, what is 64? What is 32? This is system processing. And you want to verify? In the search bar, type sysinfo or go to this PC properties. This PC property is also sufficient. I'm going to sysinfo, system information. And here what it is available? x64 base PC, correct? Good. Close. So which one I need to download? This is the one. Download it, very small software. And you don't believe when I started my career, the size was just 23 MB only. Less than a mobile app size when I started working on it. Gradually the size increased because features increase. Yeah, monthly updates, features also increase, capability increased. And go to downloads. Not here. So this is the way it looks like. Go to this. It will open a prompt and ask you click next, accept something and finish it up. No great configuration. No configuration. Over. Then you will find an icon on the desktop. There is one more available, report server desktop. This is for on-premises people. I don't want cloud. I want everything in the on-premises. I want to implement Power BI operation with less price possible. Go to this desktop. How to install and work on, I will show you in the classes. And for the time being, cloud desktop we'll discuss because 95% companies use cloud only. I will click on it. So based on your system speed, it will open. Based on your RAM speed, it will open. And this is the first screen. We usually call it as get started screen. And it will take some time to explain. So tomorrow I will explain this screen. Now we'll close this because that is not the area where we work. We work in this area. And this is the main area where we work. And this is colorblind friendly area. Colorblind people can work. And self-service BA area. If you have data, extraction possible, transformation possible, modeling possible, securing possible, BA data possible. You can say visuals and BA data. Assume this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. What are the areas? In this screen, this is the first area. So if you want to get the data, go to this. You want to transform it, go to this. Nearby. Whereas in other BA level, multiple tools required. In MSB, if you want to do multiple tools required for this. But here not multiple tools, single application. Single application, nearby navigations. 1, 2. This is for the modeling. This is for the security. And this is for the visualization. That's why this is called as report canvas. Here only we take visuals. Here only we take data plus concepts. This is this white area canvas. So 5 business intelligence areas nearby. And I will explain a couple of other options also here. And usually I explain 1 hour only the screen, 1 hour in the class. Those many features available. But now I will explain 5 minutes, important options. This is for quick saving. Quickly you want to save. And this is title of the application. And this is account. I have account, multiple accounts I already connected. This is minimize. This is maximize. This is close. And these are called menu tabs. Right now, home is underlined. Options available. This is called as home ribbon. What do you call it? Home ribbon. And these are called views. And right now, this is highlighted. And this is called report view. Where we show visuals, data, etc. in the canvas. From where we get the visuals? This is a visualization area we'll get, and we call it as a visualization pane. And this is a data area, data pane, a data set pane. Pane is a rectangle where options available. Pane is a rectangle where options available. So a report view uses visualization pane visuals. These are all visuals. Data set data. And this is a data view. You will see the data. You will see the data. And this is a model view. Relationship view. Relations provided. And here is a place you create multiple pages. Click plus to create page. So these are called tabs. This is a ribbon option. These are called views. One for report, one for data seeing, one for relationships. This is a pane with visuals, pane with data. This is also a pane with filter options. Don't worry, daily we come across the same technology, daily we use the same. We feel very poor after 2 or 3 days. Now what to do? First one, we have data. Where is the data? No, where is the data? Data not seen, right? I told you data, but we did not see the data properly. And I have data in this folder. My data is Excel data. So this is a normal demo class. I'm taking a simple file, but in the regular class, you work with JSON files, XML files, databases, cube databases, theme files, many databases we use in the regular class. But it is a demo class, only Excel. Even you need to practice it. Click on it. My source I'm opening. Clearly showing description. This is one family expenses in 19 and 20. Render date. Some information available. These are columns. Date, amount, reason, area, location. Okay, this is the data customer given and we need to work on. What to do? Go to this. Get data. Tool ready. Get data. Excel workbook. First step. Family expenses. Click open. It is showing daily expenses. Select. What to do? Load. I clicked on it. I navigated. Load. So it's showing in the data area. And you want to see the data here, then click on this data view. I will click on this. It will show the data. Don't write anything. Navigation material, navigation video, everything you will get in a spoon feeding way. Kindly open and practice. Just look at this. We were able to see the data. Good. But something is not correct. Power BI or Tableau or Cognos or any BI tool. Remember the word, any BI tool, expect column by column data only. Which data? Column by column only they will expect. We will see. But here column by column not available. These two rows we need to delete and this one supposed to be column heading. Am I right or wrong? So remove these two, make this as column heading. So remove these two, one operation that is called transformation. Make this as column heading, second transformation. And also I want to analyze area separate, location separate. Otherwise combined analysis meaningless. I ask you area wise information, location wise information, not possible. So we need to split this based on the hyphens. 2 columns. So this split is required. 3. This data is not in proper shape. Comma. We need to apply the above transforms to make it proper shape. And where we need to go? Transform area. And technically we call in Power BI level only Power Query area. How do we go? Home, click on this. This is the area, second area. First area is this, second area is this. transform data. Something crazy here. That is a separate window. Only one window separately you will get in Power BI level, Power Query time. For transformation only, it will open a separate window, not no other times. Power Query transformation window. And daily expenses is ready. See, these two, I want to delete it. So not two, only one. This delete it and this one take as heading. This delete and this one take as heading. So there is a grid icon available here. Click on that. Click here. Remove top row. 1. Number of rows to remove 1. Simple. Okay. First row removed. And the step is here. In case you want to cancel the step, cancel it. You want me to cancel? Cancel. Again back. Click on it. Remove top rows. 1. Okay. And I want to consider this as column heading. Click on this. Use first row as headers. Ready. Next, I want to split this into 2 parts. Right click only that column. Right click, split column by delimiter. Right click, split column by delimiter. The separator is 2 hyphens actually. How many hyphens? Click OK. Area in one place, location another place. So I'm double clicking here, area. I'm double clicking here, location. Area, one location. So now it is in proper shape. So what to do? Save the changes and close. So under home menu, close and apply options available. Apply means it will save the changes. Close means close it. You can ask me why sir, save is not there. Save is available outside. So they are using a different one, applying the changes. So click on close and apply. So that window closed. Now you are able to see in the main window proper data column by column. Your data view is good. Am I right? So far, extraction, transformation completed. Third one we need to do in the real time, modeling. Same process. Only one table. What you will model? Minimum 2 tables required to model. Model means relationships. Relationships establishment. Only one table, no modeling. Now go to security, fourth one. But I did not say anything about security. I said normal data convert to decision making data, but no security. Security meaning if Raju connect, Raju data only show. If department 10 people cannot show only 10 data, that is security. But in our situation, we don't have such kind of scenario. So only one view is pending, visual reporting view, visual view. So in real time, you prepare a report by following these 5 processes. What all applicable, you will implement it. But complexity will increase when number of transformations increase, number of tables increase. But process remains same. And this is the visualization area. Now visuals I will prepare. I want to show total value here, this total amount. No need to write any calculations. First total, count, average. That is the beauty of Power BI. Yeah. First of all, take a visual. Single value you want to show. This is a visual good. This is called card visual for single value only. And you want to filter the values to see respective data. Go to this visual. Slicer. Single value. This is single value only. Total value 10,000. Average value 40,000. Only one value you want to show. Go to this. You want to filter like 2017 data, 2018 data, this filter required, then slicer. What is this? Slicer. Next, and you want mapping information, go to this map for the time being. You just want comparisons, go to this chart, comparison chart. You want a composition like percentage, 20%, 30%, pie chart. So these 5, now I'm going to use it. Shall we see? But detailed discussion we'll see in the regular class, don't worry. For the time being, this. First one, card, click card visual, visual taking process. First time only new, that's all same process. Always click on this. There are 2 sections. Any visual, you click on this. This is field section, field. Field means columns. Assign the columns. First arrangement. Second, if you want colors, fonts, alignment, go to this format section. This is format and this is fields. Fields area, columns area, format area, color, font, alignment area. Now I took a card, field, only one field. I'm taking amount, drag and drop. By default, it is taking sum. You want to change it, click on this drop down symbol. Whatever the aggregation you want, same you can take. No need to write any formula. You can take required aggregation. Is this beautiful? Yes, very simple. First of all, simple. Next, I will format it later. Second card, card visual. Amount I take, but I need average. But sum is coming. What to do? Click on this average. One more card visual. I want a maximum value. Amount you take, select it, maximum. I'll take a card visual. Amount here. I'll click on it, minimum. Not minimum, count of locations required. Take location here. Click on this count. But I want to format. I don't want this K for 1000 format. Normal format I want. Select any visual. Go to format area. This is fields area. Now go to format area. Only 2. Call out value. Don't feel confused. Regularly you do the same. Call out value. Format call out. So there are 2 sections actually. In this area we work on this. In this area we work on this. Now call out value. Bin. 30 size. Color. Blue color. Display. None. None means no format. Or billion format you want billion. Million format you want million. Now category label. This label. Bold. 15 size. Here I will take pink color. And I want border for this. General option. Border is a general. General effect level. Visual border on. You want background also. Click on it. Light background required. And you can reduce the transparency in case you want to. I will minimize it. But the same setting required here also. Uniform setting. Then go to this home menu. There is something called format painter. I highlighted format painter. Click on it. Again, format painter. Click on it. Format painter. Click on it. Copy paste formatting over. This is copy paste formation. What do you call it? I'll go to this. This is all about card visuals. Fine. But I want a slicer where we filter year and month. This is slicer. Take slicer. Year you want. Go to date, hierarchy, take year and place. It is giving between end, but I'm not comfortable with this. So go to formation. Similar to this. Slicer, field dimension, formation. Slicer settings. These settings. Between right now available. Two values between. I want buttons 1920 or I want list, vertical list. What is the shape you want? You can take it. Letter header. So this is slicer setting and this is slicer header and this is slicer value. Now I will go to slicer header, bold color, 15, 20, blue color, sorry, pink color, value, bold, 15, blue color. And go to general, FX, visual border. Similarly, month also, Control C, Control V. Take month. And here, format your visual. Why slicer settings? I copy pasted, right? I copy pasted. Not required. If needed, change it. But I need only 2 months. Let us assume. Right now, many months available. But I need only 2 months. In a situation, go to filters. Month available. This month, click on it. So filter on this visual. Only 2 months required. July, August. See, many topics we are discussing. Filter ready. If you select, where do we do that? Required values, filter level. What to do? Select this visual, filter whatever you want, select it. If you click 19 spendings everywhere. If you click July, 19 July locations, 19 July amount, 19 July average and sum. 20 July amount, average sum. Got clarity? Now I want to compare. Click stacked bar chart. Ayo, wrong. Undo works. Yeah. I will click stacked bar, empty area stacked bar. For which reason I spent more money, which reason I spent less money, I want to check. So go to stacked bar, take reason on the y-axis. X-axis level amount. So this is x-axis. I took amount. This is y-axis. I took reason. X and Y. So why we need to take? Yeah, I want reason-wise analysis. This should be the way. I will explore bigger. See, this is focus mode to see bigger. Clearly telling food value 1,34,900 and travel value 46,000, internet value 12,500. These two my top spending, these two are bottom spendings. So go to this, click on this, general, effect, border. Yes. ఈ మంత్ బేస్ మీద మారిపోతుంది. ఆగస్ట్ మంత్ చేంజ్డ్, జూలై చేంజ్డ్, జూలై ట్రావెల్ మోర్, ఆగస్ట్ మంత్ ఫుడ్ మోర్. నెక్స్ట్ I want location wise spending. Click pie chart, undo, empty area, pie chart. Hardly 2 minutes, guys. Pie chart, legend level location. Why we need to take that I will explain in the class. Don't worry. This is just a normal example. Amount in the value area. Legend value. Click on this. Hyderabad 40% money I spent. Visakhapatnam 40%. Vijayawada 15%. Siddipet 2%. Like this. So go to this. General, FX. But I want to know the locations. Click on map. Location area, location you take. Yeah, location is ready, but you want to see betterly with value, amount you take in the bubble size. Why? That is a different story. So location area, location, but the size of the location, bubble size, amount. Explore bigger. See, wherever more spending, bigger bubble. Wherever medium spending, medium bubble. Wherever less spending, small bubble. You can go back. That is focus mode, you can go back. If you select 19 locations, 19 only 3 locations in percentage. 19 Hyderabad 45%, 19 Vijayawada 16%, 20 Visakhapatnam 45% and Vijayawada 14%, and 20 Visakhapatnam more spending and Vijayawada medium spending and Hyderabad okay. So this is the way we will create data, and this data is called decision making data or analytical data or BA data, but I'm presenting through visuals and insights. But this application having extraction part, transformation part, modeling part, security part, reporting part. That's why this application is called a document, Power BI desktop document. And how do we save Word document? Word document we save by using .docx. Excel document we save by using .xlsx. And Power BI document we save by using PBIX. It's a document, not a report. Sir, then how do we give only this to customer? Saving, okay, this document, we will save. But how do we share only this view? Customer don't bother about all this. They don't require. They just need this area. How do we give? So we need to move this to a server, or we need to move this to a cloud. From here, customers will access either server or cloud. Because if that is also given freely, then everyone will go for Power BI desktop only. This desktop is free, no charge. So they're charging when you're moving to cloud or server. For this creation, no charge, nothing, no account is required. But if you want to share and manage, then require charge. Yes, I will save it now. File menu, save, Power BI, documents, Vinay Tech, second demo report on 28th, 10, 29th, right? 29th, 10, 2023. Successfully completed. You want to see that? Close it. The extension documents folder I saved. This is a document. how is it showing? So people, due to lack of knowledge, they say like report, it's not a report, it's a document. Once you move to cloud, then only it will consider as a report. So cloud level, when you move this server or cloud, when you move, it is divided into two parts. One is data part and second one report part. And we assign this report part only to the customer. And this we will see tomorrow only. Tomorrow only we'll see this. So this is the way you need to learn the subject properly. Which component helps to create report, which components to save and manage the reports, and how do we manage all. So tell me on a whole, is it complex to do or simple to do? If you follow this and practice 2 or 3 times, it is very simple, really true. But only one complex area you will find in Power BI. Power BI, full graphical, I accept, but only little complex. I'm not saying complex. Compared to MS Office, little complex. Compared to coding, very low code. No code is required, very low. And that very low code is DAX. Data analysis expressions. When do we use it? This also I will tell you. Right now, some you want, then you're directly drag and drop and changing the drop down. But Hyderabad's total formula required. How do you write it? Or I need MSBA fast track and Chennai location combination total I require. How? A single result level required. Then we require DAX formulas. Apart from that, it is very simple. Okay? Right, sir. So I'm successfully done with what I planned for today. So my objective, 2 demos. First demo, introduction 20 minutes I given, and data to fabric understanding. Full hierarchy explained. Second demo, a practical explained. And I will share the documents with you, the input file and practical navigation document. Right now you navigated one document. The document also you find it. Not document, you did some navigation in Power BI. The document also you'll find it. I'll show you. So this is a practical document. Video, if you're not able to follow, you feel bored, then go to this practical document. What is extraction? What is transformation? What is modeling? What is security? What is visuals? Demo example. What are the visuals we used and their explanation? First, get the data. How to get the data? Click get the data, Excel workbook. Transform it. How to transform it? Step by step available. Follow this and practice it. Like this, you will find the materials in the classroom. All the materials like this only for every topic. Right. And coming to regular classes from tomorrow at 8 AM. This is for the morning batch interested people. Or evening batch, you are interested, you confirm now. You confirm now. They will inform you either Wednesday or Friday for the regular class. No more demos again. So your wish. You want morning batch, continue from tomorrow. You want evening batch, wait for 3-4 days, continue from Friday or Wednesday. And the subject is very detailed subject, and interview questions and all I will cover. We will conduct mock interviews and all. And we tied up with a couple of companies. We'll inform you whenever the companies approaches, or else we can arrange interviews in our neighbor companies, in our colleagues organizations. And this is a certification exam, and 70 to 80% you can clear from this subject. I have total 6 batches in a day, not 1-2 batches, 6 batches. Now this slot is free, and from Monday this is closing. So Monday, that's the reason Wednesday or Thursday we are starting this. This is free. This was completed on Friday. That's why Saturday, Sunday demos. These are 6 batches in a day. And coming to batch strength, 7 AM, 9 AM, 7 PM. Batch strength minimum 30 available, minimum 30. 30 minimum batch. And offline, 7 o'clock offline people, 12. Only offline, online 26. And 7 p.m. offline 6 people, online 32. And 9 a.m. offline 17 people, online 15 people. These are the batch strengths. I'm done from my side with what I supposed to explore. Now take your mic and ask your questions. In case not provide your email ID, mobile number, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. In case you want to talk to me, yes, call me after 15 minutes because after offline people are available. They might ask a couple of questions. Once I address, I can talk to you. Call me after 15 minutes to clarify your doubts. Even I'm providing my contact number.